If you've ever sourced products through Alibaba.com, you know the hardest part isn't finding suppliers. It's everything that comes after. Searching through dozens of listings, comparing factories, checking certifications, writing inquiries, waiting for replies, following up, negotiating prices, managing multiple conversations at once. By the time you finally receive a few quotations, you've already spent hours, or even days, doing work that repeats itself every time you source a new product. So I wanted to see how much of that process AI could actually automate. Today, I'm testing Accio Work together with its new sourcing toolkit to see whether it can handle an entire sourcing workflow, from finding suppliers all the way to supplier negotiations. After installing Accio Work and signing into my account, I'm taken to the main dashboard. The first thing I'll do is open the plugins section. Here, I can see the sourcing toolkit, which is built specifically for sourcing products through Alibaba.com. I'll download and install the toolkit. Once the installation finishes, I attach the sourcing toolkit to my sourcing agent. Now this agent has access to sourcing skills, supplier communication, negotiation tools, and Alibaba.com integration. With everything connected, we're ready to start. I'll click Start Chat and give the agent a real sourcing task. My goal today is simple. I want to find reliable manufacturers for an eco-friendly pet travel bottle that has strong e-commerce potential. So I enter my request and let the sourcing agent begin. Instead of returning a simple list of product ideas, the agent immediately starts researching the opportunity. It analyzes supplier availability, manufacturing options, sourcing feasibility, and product demand at the same time. A few moments later, I received a complete sourcing report. It includes recommended suppliers, sourcing insights, manufacturing information, and product suggestions that would normally take hours to research manually. Now I can review all the recommended manufacturers in one place. Each supplier includes useful business information like certifications, ratings, response rate, delivery performance, manufacturing experience, and other sourcing details. If I need additional options, I can simply load more suppliers without restarting the search. After comparing the available manufacturers, I'll choose 5 suppliers that look like strong candidates. Before sending anything, Accio Work automatically checks my inquiry. Normally, buyers send very short messages, and suppliers reply asking dozens of follow-up questions about quantities, materials, packaging, customization, certifications, and shipping requirements. That back and forth can easily delay the sourcing process by several days. Instead, AutoChat reviews my request before it's sent. It automatically fills in missing sourcing information and converts my message into a much more complete and professional supplier inquiry that's designed to receive faster and more accurate quotations. Now I'll select all 5 suppliers together instead of contacting them one by one. With a single click on AI Negotiate, the sourcing agent starts preparing the negotiation workflow. It asks for a few important details first: my target order quantity, the destination country, delivery priorities, and any customization requirements. I'll set the quantity between 100 and 500 units and choose the United States as the destination. The agent then generates a complete supplier inquiry, requesting pricing, lead times, customization options, and manufacturing details. I can also adjust the negotiation strategy. For this demo, I'll ask the AI to prioritize the lowest possible unit price while still keeping delivery times competitive. Once everything looks good, I simply confirm the inquiry. Now the sourcing agent sends inquiries to all 5 selected suppliers simultaneously and begins managing every conversation automatically. Instead of manually copying the same message over and over again, every supplier receives a personalized inquiry while the AI keeps each conversation organized in the background. Once the inquiries are sent, I head over to the Messages page. Here, I can see all 5 supplier conversations in one place. I'll open one of them to see how the negotiation is progressing. The supplier replies with a few questions about the product requirements. Instead of waiting for me, AutoChat responds automatically based on the sourcing goals I already defined. A little later, the supplier shares pricing, lead time, and available customization options. AutoChat continues the conversation, asks follow-up questions, and negotiates on my behalf while keeping me updated with the latest progress. This is probably my favorite feature because the conversation keeps moving even when I'm not online. After the negotiations are completed, Accio Work summarizes everything for me. It compares supplier responses, pricing, delivery times, and overall value. For this demo, the AI successfully negotiated a better unit price and recommended the supplier offering the best balance of cost, delivery speed, and product quality. Instead of reading through multiple conversations myself, I get one clear recommendation with all the important details already organized. What impressed me most isn't that Accio Work uses AI. It's that it actually performs real sourcing work instead of simply giving suggestions. From supplier discovery and inquiry refinement to bulk outreach, negotiations, and supplier comparisons, the entire workflow becomes much faster and far more organized. And even though the AI handles the repetitive work, I still stay in control of every final business decision. If you're an e-commerce seller, product developer, or someone who regularly sources products through Alibaba.com, Accio Work and the new Sourcing Toolkit are definitely worth checking out. You can download Accio Work, install the Sourcing Toolkit, and try the complete sourcing workflow yourself at Accio.com/work.